Hello, welcome back to English Ember.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through natural conversations.
Today, we're going to talk about something everyone does, but sometimes finds stressful. Gift shopping in English.
This is a really practical topic because buying gifts is a common activity, especially during holidays and special occasions.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to English Ember for more English practice. It really helps us grow.
Let's get started.
So, James, are you good at gift shopping?
Honestly, not really. I always struggle to find the perfect gift. What about you, Ella?
I actually enjoy gift shopping. I love thinking about what would make someone happy.
That's interesting. What's your secret? How do you always find good gifts?
I pay attention throughout the year. When someone mentions something they want or need, I make a mental note.
That's smart. So you're always gathering information for future gifts.
Exactly. For example, if my friend says, "I love this author," or "I wish I had a nice coffee mug," I remember that.
I should start doing that. I usually wait until the last minute and then panic about what to buy.
Last-minute shopping is so stressful. You end up buying generic gifts that aren't very personal.
You're absolutely right. I once bought my sister a candle because I couldn't think of anything else. She has a candle allergy.
Oh no, that's actually funny, but also a perfect example of why we need to think carefully about gifts.
It was embarrassing. Now, let's talk about different occasions when people buy gifts.
Good idea. The most common occasion is birthdays. Everyone celebrates birthdays, and giving gifts is traditional.
Birthday gifts can range from small and simple to large and expensive depending on your relationship with the person.
Right. For close family, you might spend more. For casual friends, something smaller is appropriate.
What about holidays? Which holidays involve gift giving?
In America, Christmas is the biggest gift-giving holiday. Families exchange gifts, and sometimes people draw names to decide who buys for whom.
That's called Secret Santa or White Elephant. It makes gift-giving more manageable when you have a large family or friend group.
Other holidays include Valentine's Day for romantic partners, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and graduation.
Don't forget weddings. Wedding gifts are very important. Usually people buy from the couple's registry.
A registry is a list of items the couple wants. You can see what they need and buy something from that list.
That makes wedding gift shopping much easier because you know exactly what they want.
What about baby showers? That's another gift-giving occasion.
Yes, when someone is expecting a baby, friends and family throw a shower and bring gifts for the baby.
Common baby gifts include clothes, toys, diapers, and nursery items. These are practical gifts that new parents really need.
Now let's discuss different types of gifts. What categories do gifts fall into?
There are practical gifts. These are useful items people need, like kitchen gadgets, tools, or clothing.
Practical gifts might not be exciting, but they're appreciated because people will actually use them.
Then there are experiential gifts. Instead of a physical object, you give an experience, like concert tickets, a spa day, or a cooking class.
I love experiential gifts. They create memories, not just more stuff to store in your house.
Exactly. Another category is personalized gifts. These are customized with the person's name, initials, or a special message.
Like a monogrammed towel, an engraved watch, or a photo album filled with memories.
Personalized gifts feel special because they're unique and show you put thought into them.
What about handmade gifts? Do people still give those?
Absolutely. Handmade gifts are making a comeback. Things like knitted scarves, homemade cookies, or handcrafted jewelry.
Handmade gifts show you invested time and effort, which can be even more valuable than money.
Now, let's talk about gift shopping strategies. Where do people shop for gifts?
Many people start with online shopping. Websites like Amazon, Etsy, or specific brand websites offer huge selections.
Online shopping is convenient. You can compare prices, read reviews, and have items shipped directly to your home.
The downside is you can't see or touch the item before buying. Sometimes things look different in person.
That's true. Traditional stores still have advantages. You can see the quality, try things on, and take the gift home immediately.
Department stores like Macy's or Nordstrom are popular for gift shopping because they have many options in one place.
Specialty stores are also great. If you know someone loves coffee, go to a specialty coffee shop. If they love books, visit a bookstore.
That's smart because specialty stores have unique items you won't find in regular stores.
Now let's discuss budget. How much should you spend on a gift?
That's always tricky. It really depends on your relationship with the person and your financial situation.
Right. There's no fixed rule. The most important thing is that the gift is thoughtful, not expensive.
I've received cheap gifts that I loved and expensive gifts that felt impersonal. The price doesn't determine the value.
Exactly. But there are some general guidelines. For close family, people might spend $50 to $100 or more.
For friends, maybe $20 to $50. For coworkers or acquaintances, $10 to $20 is typical.
These are just averages. You should never spend more than you can afford just to impress someone.
That's important advice. Gift giving shouldn't create financial stress.
Now, let's talk about the actual shopping experience. What phrases are useful when shopping for gifts?
When you enter a store, you might say to the sales associate, "I'm looking for a gift for my mother," or "I need help finding a birthday present."
The sales associate will usually ask, "What are they interested in?" or "What's your budget?"
You can answer, "She loves gardening," or "I'd like to spend around $50.
If you see something you like, you can ask, "Do you have this in a different color?" or "Is this available in a larger size?"
When you're ready to buy, you say, "I'll take this," or "I'd like to purchase this."
Most stores offer gift wrapping. You can ask, "Can you gift wrap this?" or "Do you have gift wrap available?"
Gift wrapping saves time and makes the present look nice. Some stores charge a small fee, others offer it for free.
Don't forget to ask about the return policy. What's your return policy? Or can this be returned if needed?
That's crucial because sometimes people need to exchange gifts for different sizes or colors.
Always keep the receipt. You should include it with the gift or keep it in case the person needs to make a return.
Now let's discuss common gift shopping challenges. What problems do people face?
The biggest challenge is buying for someone who has everything. They don't seem to need or want anything.
That's so frustrating. What do you do in that situation?
I usually choose experiential gifts or consumable items like gourmet food, wine, or specialty coffee. These get used up and don't add clutter.
That's brilliant. Another challenge is buying for someone you don't know well.
Like a coworker you just met or a distant relative. You don't know their tastes or interests.
In those cases, safe, neutral gifts work best. Things like candles, picture frames, or gift cards.
Gift cards are controversial. Some people think they're impersonal, but I think they're practical.
I agree. A gift card to someone's favorite store shows you pay attention and lets them choose what they want.
Another challenge is staying within budget during the holiday season when you need to buy multiple gifts.
Holiday shopping can drain your bank account quickly if you're not careful.
The solution is to make a list of everyone you need to buy for and set a budget for each person before you start shopping.
And stick to that budget. It's easy to overspend when you see nice things, but you'll regret it later.
Now let's talk about gift presentation. How you wrap and present a gift matters.
Absolutely. Even a simple gift looks special when it's nicely wrapped. You can use traditional wrapping paper or get creative with fabric, newspaper, or brown paper tied with twine.
Don't forget to add a card. A handwritten message makes any gift more personal.
What should you write in a gift card?
Keep it simple and sincere. Happy birthday, hope you enjoy this, love, James. Or, thinking of you, hope this makes you smile.
The message doesn't need to be long, just a few genuine words showing you care.
Now let's discuss gift-giving etiquette. What are the social rules around gifts?
First, when you receive a gift, always say thank you immediately. Show appreciation even if you don't love the gift.
Never criticize a gift or ask how much it cost. That's very rude.
If someone gives you a gift and you didn't get them anything, don't feel too embarrassed. Just express sincere gratitude.
What about opening gifts? Should you open them immediately or wait?
In American culture, it's normal to open gifts in front of the giver. They want to see your reaction.
But some cultures consider that rude. If you're not sure, you can ask, "Should I open this now?"
That's polite and shows cultural awareness. When opening a gift, show enthusiasm and thank the person specifically.
Instead of just thanks, say, "Thank you so much. I love this color," or "This is perfect. I really needed this."
Now let's review some useful vocabulary for talking about gift shopping.
Great idea. The first word is gift or present. These words mean the same thing, something you give to someone.
For example, I need to buy a gift for my friend, or she gave me a beautiful present.
Another word is recipient. The recipient is the person who receives the gift.
Like, the recipient loved the gift, or choose a gift based on the recipient's interests.
We mentioned registry. A registry is a list of desired items, usually for weddings or baby showers.
For example, they have a registry at Target, or I bought something from their registry.
Another useful word is wrap or wrapping. This means covering a gift with decorative paper.
Like, can you wrap this for me? Or I need to buy wrapping paper.
We also mentioned thoughtful. A thoughtful gift shows you considered the person's needs and interests.
For example, that was a very thoughtful gift, or I try to be thoughtful when choosing gifts.
Another word is exchange. To exchange means to return a gift and get something different.
Like, I need to exchange this for a larger size, or this store has a good exchange policy.
We mentioned budget. A budget is the amount of money you plan to spend.
For example, my budget is $50, or stay within your budget.
Another term is gift card. A gift card is a card with a set amount of money that can be used at a specific store.
Like, I gave her a Starbucks gift card, or gift cards are convenient for hard-to-shop-for people.
Finally, we said occasion. An occasion is an event or special time when gifts are given.
For example, what's the occasion? Or weddings are important gift-giving occasions.
Those are all very useful words for talking about gifts and shopping.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Are you ready? Today's question is, what's the best gift you've ever given or received? What made it special?
Think about a gift that really meant something to you. Was it expensive, handmade, thoughtful, or unexpected?
Write your answer in the comments below. You can write something like, "My best gift was a handmade photo album from my sister," or "I gave my dad concert tickets and we made great memories."
We read every comment and we love hearing your stories. Gift stories are always heartwarming.
Don't be shy. Share your favorite gift memory with us.
So to summarize today's conversation, we talked about gift shopping in English.
We discussed different gift-giving occasions like birthdays, holidays, weddings, and baby showers.
We explored types of gifts: practical, experiential, personalized, and handmade.
We talked about shopping strategies, budgeting, and useful phrases for shopping in stores.
We covered common challenges like shopping for people who have everything or people you don't know well.
We discussed gift presentation, wrapping, and the importance of handwritten cards.
We shared gift-giving etiquette and how to graciously give and receive gifts.
And we reviewed important vocabulary related to gifts and shopping.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident shopping and talking about gifts in English.
Remember, the best gifts come from the heart, not the wallet.
Thank you so much for watching English Ember today. We really appreciate your support.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Ember and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We'll be back soon with another practical conversation to help you improve your English.
Until then, keep practicing, happy shopping, and keep learning.
From both of us, thank you and goodbye.
See you next time.